Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll learn how to create an alpha masking effect in Flint UI Designer. To control which parts of an image are visible, alpha masking is commonly used for circular or custom-shaped images, animated reveals and advanced visual effects in embedded UIs. Let's start by creating a masking image. The white part of the mask shows the visible area, and the transparent part hides the rest. For this demo, we are using simple circular and triangular shaped masks. Next, add both the masking image and the image to be masked into the images folder in your project. In the Flint EFP file, change the masking image format to A8. Now, drag and drop an image widget into the design view. Assign the image that you want to mask to this widget. Select the image widget, then go to the Properties panel and open the Effects tab. Add the alpha masking effect. Choose the correct image layer, and assign the masking image. Preview the design to see the alpha masking effect in action. Only the areas defined by the white region of the mask will now be visible. That's how you apply the alpha masking effect in Flint UI Designer. In the next tutorial, we'll explore more effects to create richer and more interactive embedded UIs. Thank you.